Welcome. Let's talk about Tectonic token market supply. Tectonic token burning. Now VVS Finance for the past 7 weeks have actually maintained a high level support for Tectonic token. Now earlier crypto.com were actually supporting and holding the largest part of Tectonic volume, almost 90%. But right now, in the past 7 weeks, VVS Finance have been controlling the largest part of Tectonic volume on a daily basis. Right now, almost 65% of Tectonic daily volume is being controlled by VVS Finance. Now, VVS Finance, instead of burning, they're also ready to support Tectonic burning by destroying some Tectonic coins. What the truth is, the founders, the developers need to really capitalize on burning of Tectonic token, especially next year 2023. They should really focus on that and also focus on getting this coin listed by some other crypto exchange. Now we believe BVS Finance have the ability to burn 30 billion coins of Tectonic token in a single month because the volume is really high, and even some of their partners are saying yes, they are ready to support this. And I think this is when the developers of Tectonic token really need to work hard in terms of the burning of Tectonic token. Yes, they can burn up to 1 billion coins. I know it's not going to be easy because even the coins like Tectonic Classic, Shiba Inu are not even burning up to that right now. Tectonic Classic, even with the 1.2% tax burn, with the largest in fact they have this largest support. Binance founder is really supporting Tectonic Classic coin more than even other crypto coins. Not that he listed this coin, he also owns about 1.6 trillion Tectonic Classic coin according to rumor. So I believe they have that support, but yet it's difficult for them to burn about 1 billion coins in a single day. So if the Tectonic token burning, seeing VVS Finance burning 1 billion coin in a single day is going to be amazing. I know it's not going to be easy. So I believe the Tectonic founders should capitalize on trying to burn and destroy the circulating supply of Tectonic token, which is about 110 trillion at the time of recording this. It is going to be helpful for Tectonic token to really increase in price. We want to see the circulating supply drop down to at least 10 trillion before the end of next year, 2023. It's going to be really big. One of the biggest things Tectonic founders, developers will be achieving, because the circulating supply and the total supply of Tectonic coin is really much. That is not really attractive for crypto investors and traders. I think they need to really work on that. If they can really do that, I believe it, this coin is going to really increase in price. Yes, VVS Finance can burn up to 30 billion coins in a single month. The kind of support that is supporting Tectonic token. But remember, even Crypto.com are also there to support, and I believe before the end of next year we should be seeing new crypto exchanges listing this coin. That is definitely going to increase the burning of Tectonic token. So we want to see the anniversary gifts, because they will be celebrating their 1 year anniversary this year in December, and I believe they should really come up. In fact, we want to see something more better for people to really believe that yes, they're actually holding the right coin, they're actually trading the right coin, which is Tectonic token. And let's hope that Tectonic token definitely is going to really increase in price. Once again, remember that whatever we say here, please, this is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. One important thing about Tectonic token is that the coin is currently trading with 7 zeros at the time of recording this. That simply means if one can really buy and hold this coin, and Tectonic token deleting 1 or 2 zeros, you will be making a lot of money. That's a possibility that Tectonic token can hit 5,000 to 10,000% soon, which even though so many people be predicting 50,000 to 100,000% increase in price, I still think that this coin is going to make a lot of holders rich, especially those that will be buying Tectonic token earlier. It's best to buy coins earlier when they are trading at the lowest price, then you sell and make good profit when they're actually trading at a very high price. So to me, just like CRO, when CRO actually trading at 5 cents, 10 cents, that was last year. I talked about CRO, and those that really purchased CRO then actually make a lot of money. When CRO actually hit 96 cents, imagine earning 90 cents for each coin that you want actually purchase. So buying coins earlier is very good, but remember to invest what you can afford to lose.